Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is AsadYaqub with another video for IELTS candidates. Well guys, this video is for those who have decided, right, with full determination that in 2020 they are going to change their lives. They are going to bring about some big changes in their lives in 2021. This video is for all those. You might have noticed one thing that all of you, all around you, people are doing IELTS. My channel is for IELTS. People are doing IELTS, but you might have noticed one thing. Some are doing IELTS half-heartedly, some are doing IELTS wholeheartedly, and some are doing IELTS because they have to do it, right? And some are doing IELTS because they have to do it, right? Now, the thing is this, whenever it comes to IELTS test needs your dedication. It needs your full attention. It needs commitment. So, if you are committed, if you are dedicated, if you are practicing every day, then most definitely you can achieve your goal in 2021. Let me tell you one thing, whenever it comes to IELTS, your hard work pays, your smart work even pays some extra. Now what is hard work? What is smart work? Smart work is you follow the tips and techniques. Hard work is you use those tips and techniques and you take practice tests as many as possible, right? Let me tell you one thing, there are few things which are game changers in your life. For example, if someone gets married, that's a game changer in life. Before that, he can cross the road himself. After getting married, he asks someone, please help me cross the road, right? That's a game changer. In the same way, this IELTS, whether you're planning to take academic IELTS or gender training IELTS, this IELTS is actually a game changer for you. This is the game changer. If it does not change the game of your life now in 2021, you will be sorry. In all the future years, in 2025, 2020, 2030 and all that, when you look back at 2021, you'll be sorry if you don't utilize this game changer to change the game of your life. How to do that? Again, I'm telling you, don't do IELTS half-heartedly. Don't just see what happens. Some candidates take the test to see what happens. Some candidates take IELTS test to see how many bands they get. And some candidates take the IELTS test to get their required band. They have the band score in mind and they know that they are going to get that required band score and they work hard for that and finally they achieve that. Let me talk to you about taking the IELTS test. As you might have noticed that some students take IELTS again and again in order to get their desired band. That's not a good practice. I would advise you all to take the IELTS test when you are 100% ready for that. Don't waste the money of your parents. Don't waste the opportunity that is right now in front of you. That is what you can avail right away. So by taking IELTS and getting low band score, you are kicking this opportunity out of your life and that should not happen actually. So you should only take IELTS when you are at least half band ahead of your required band. You need 7 band in listening. And in practice tests, you are getting 7.5. You need 6.5 in reading, and in practice tests, you are getting 7 band in reading. And let me tell you, now I'm going to talk to the weak students. Those who want to achieve 6 band, but they are at band score 5 level. Those who want to achieve 6.5 and they are at 5 band level, I'm talking to them right now. Be attentive. Listen to me carefully. Nothing beats practice. Repetition is the mother of learning. Repetition is the mother of learning. Whatever we do, we repeatedly do that. I teach IELTS repeatedly. Every day I teach IELTS, right? In the same way, if you repeatedly take IELTS tests, listening tests will improve your speaking, Reading tests will improve your writing, and if you repeatedly take the tests, most definitely your skill, your understanding, your English language, your pronunciation, your speaking style, writing style, everything is going to improve, provided you are dedicated. You are committed to your goal. And if you just say, someone is pushing you, you are not willing to walk on your own. Again, someone is pushing you and you're not willing to walk on your own, then the same person who is pushing you today will kick you tomorrow and say, go to hell. And believe you me, just imagine your life in the country where you are now, and you have decided to go to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, America. So honestly speaking, if you fail to reach your destination country, your life will be hell where you are now. People will make your life hell, right? They will not give you the value and all that. And mentally, once we decide to do something, we just dream about that very thing. And if we don't achieve those dreams, if we don't achieve those future goals, most definitely our life becomes hell wherever we are. I don't want you to repent after 5 years. I don't want you to cry after 10 years in the streets of your hometown, right? Moving around here and there with a very average life, with a very average business, with a very average sources of earning. I don't want you to repent. That's why if you are laying, get up, take your responsibility. If you've given your responsibility to your parents that they are pushing you, take your responsibility. Say, don't push me. I will pull myself. I will pull myself to success. I will pull myself to my required band in IELTS. And most definitely, I will pull myself to my destination country. And not only that, even afterwards, I'll be pulling myself all alone. I take my own responsibility. Take your own responsibility. Sit on the driving seat of the car of your life. At the moment, you're sitting on passenger seat. Someone else is driving your car. Your relatives are driving the car of your life. Your friends are driving the car of your life. They say, turn right. You say, okay, turn right. Even they are driving and you are just watching what's going on and all that. Take your responsibility. Sit on the driving car of your life and you should know where you are headed. I'm telling you again, this video of mine will be a life changer for thousands of students. And the same video of mine will not affect thousands of students because they will not be committed after watching this video. They'll not be dedicated. They'll say, okay, I watched the video. For the time being, I was motivated. For the time being, I felt good. And afterwards, same old actions, same old results. Let me tell you, if you want to change the results in your life, you must change the actions. These are just the actions that change the results. And those who are only focusing the results without changing the actions, they live in fool's paradise. I don't want you to live in fool's paradise. If you're already living, come out of that, change the actions, and today's action will change the results tomorrow. If I am here today, you know me an IELTS trainer, you know me as a motivational speaker. If you know me, it's all because of the actions I took in the past. It's because of what I did and what I did not do in my past that has made my life in prison. In the same way, what I'm going to do and what I'm not going to do, that will make my future. Most definitely, guys, I want to see you in Canada. I will come to see you. I will come to meet you. I want to visit you in Australia. I want to visit you in New Zealand. I want you to offer me a cup of coffee, cup of tea and meal even. Why not, huh? Pizza as well. I just want you that on my YouTube I announce AsadYaqub visits Canada. And now AsadYaqub is in Toronto. I want you to be there to call me and to take me and to tell me the story, sir. that video of yours was a life changer. I watched that video about 2021 and that video changed my life, and today I'm here in Canada and very soon I'm going to get permanent residence as well. These are not the words. These are not the hollow words to motivate you. These are not the fantasies I'm showing you. This is going to be the reality of those who have determined in their heart that they are going to bring about changes in their life, those who have decided that they are going to take their own responsibility instead of others pushing them in all four directions. They are going to pull themselves to their destination. So those of you will meet me in Canada, in Australia, in New Zealand, and any other country, wherever you wish to go, you will reach there. That's all, guys. Thank you very, very much. All the best. I also teach IELTS online. If you wish to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Let me tell you, your today is going to make your tomorrow. So if you do not wake up today, your future will be sleeping tomorrow. If you don't take any action today, your future is going to be dark because you're not going to put any effort now. So whatever we sow, so shall we reap. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.